You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than -2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 2 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 2. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Remove the ones. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than -2.